Machines come in all shapes and sizes, but I think we can agree that the most interesting are big and powerful. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering some impressive machines we think you should see. Make sure to stick around to see how Thermite fights fires. First up is the BRACKE C16, which is a felling head built for silviculture and biomass applications. It incorporates a unique patented design to maximize harvesting capacity. You can use it with any machine or excavator with a boom. Its unique design keeps the chain tensioned at all times. Its 3/4 inch saw chain is powered by a hydraulic piston engine, resulting in more output, longer lifespans, and, most significantly, reduced fuel consumption. The BRACKE C16 can be used for thinning, clearing, and thinning crane corridors, and clearing along roadsides, fields, and power lines. Next, we have the VRG Road Grader from VUOMET. Thanks to its articulated body, it is highly maneuverable and is able to take tight turns effortlessly. Driving up and down steep slopes is also a breeze with it. In terms of dislodging power and job outcomes, the VRG Road Grader is matchless. Even during the most difficult tasks such as plowing walls, verge ice removal, and comprehensive road repair, it's able to shine. The PEZZOLATO PTH 1400/1000 is a wood chipper with 4-wheel drive, a 10.1 meter clamp arm, and electronic controls with a joystick. It is powered by a 6-cylinder Volvo Penta engine with 700 horsepower and 3,200 Nm of torque. Its 1.4 meter wide feed chain and 1,050 mm height from the ground enable it to rapidly and efficiently load both little heaps of material and massive stacks of lumber. While operating the crane, the operator can raise and swivel a cab to visualize the loading area and unloading conveyor. Up next is the BEACHMASTER, a skid steer attachment tool designed for beach cleaning. It features a self-contained hydraulically operated hopper with a capacity of 100 gallons. A 12-volt solenoid is incorporated to control functions, including sifting and dumping into the hopper. Multiple screen size options are available for different applications. You can scoop, filter, and dump material all from the inside of the cab. It is constructed from A572 grade 50 steel, which means longevity is guaranteed. How and How have introduced Thermite, a series of firefighting robots to mitigate life-threatening situations. These are capable of providing fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering. By using its remote belly pack controller, the operators can see real-time video feeds, traverse hazardous terrains, and push obstacles from their path. With a high output ranging from 1,250 to 2,500 gallons per minute, these robots can throw water to a distance of 500 meters. Modular design and wider stance allow operators to incorporate additional equipment, including a plow assembly, foam tank, and a positive pressure ventilator. The RIPSAW F4 is the fastest dual-tracked vehicle in the world. It is designed for extreme off-road enthusiasts and is capable of navigating through the most difficult terrain. The vehicle's heavy-duty rubber treads enable it to overcome severe slopes and rough terrain smoothly. Its 550 horsepower engine generates 700 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to reach a peak speed of 55 miles per hour over off-road terrain. Once you enter through its gull-wing doors and fasten your seatbelts, you'll be in for an exciting trip. The MOBICON 2HL is a straddle carrier designed for handling containers and heavy cargo. It measures 3.2 meters wide, 7.7 meters long, 8.2 meters high, and is capable of stacking a container over another. Its operation is simple. It just moves over a container and locks the lifting unit with the upper corner fittings of the container. It takes only a few seconds from lifting to placing a container. The MOBICON 2HL has 8 resilient tires, 8 cameras, a 75 kilowatt diesel engine, and a 4-wheel hydrostatic drive. It costs significantly less than a forklift or reach stacker and is very easy to service. The SUNFISH is a plowing vehicle built explicitly for the purpose of laying cables on beaches for offshore wind turbines. It measures 26 meters long, 10.6 wide, and 8.25 high, whereas its large undercarriage is 16.1 meters in length. This unique structure lets it go 5 meters deep in water and dig a 1.8 meter deep trench with its V-shaped plow. With this machine, a 500 meter long cable can be buried in an hour. The LIEBHERR R9800 is counted as one of the world's biggest excavators due to its 800-ton weight. The first R9800 was brought to the east coast of Queensland, Australia in 2009. The excavator was then divided into 13 separate components that had to be reassembled on site. A group of 12 specialists agreed to plan out the position of each component so that it could be readily constructed. All in all, it took 12 weeks to put together. With a bucket capacity of 62.1 cubic yards and 2 Cummins engines generating a combined 4,000 horsepower, this monster is truly something else. Last but not least is the Mega Bottom Dump Trailer, manufactured by Mega Crop ABQ. Its primary applications are for stockpiling, material transport, and asphalt paving. Because of its underside doors, an off-road vehicle can drive directly through the dump zone and drop the full cargo in seconds. The doors will open and shut using a valve system that synchronizes door movement, minimizing door drift and maintaining a low gap between the doors while closing. This trailer's gooseneck has 2 manholes for access to hydraulic components and electrical wiring. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.